which you can do multiplication very quickly without using pen and paper. So today first I will show you how to multiply an even number with 5. For example, I will take a simple even number, say 66 into 5. I want to multiply 66 with 5. So if you use traditional method of multiplication, it will take a lot of time. So how to solve this multiplication by using a Vedic method? So first step is, always remember, whenever you are multiplying an even number with 5, the unit place of the answer will always contain a 0. So here the 66 is a even number. So first step you have to do is put 0 in the unit place of the answer. Now the second step is, you have the number 66. Find half of 66. Half of 66 is 33. Write this 33 here. So this is the required answer. It's as simple as this. So 66 into 5 is equal to 330. Now I will take a 3-digit number. For example, say 246 into 5. So 246 is a even number. So put 0 in the unit place of the answer. Now to get the left portion of the answer, find half of 246. Half of 246 is 123. So 246 into 5 is equal to 1230. This is the required answer. Now I will take a last example. I will take a 4-digit number. Say 4872 into 5. First step is put 0 in the unit place of the answer. Now find half of 4870. 2436. So 24,000. So 24,360 is the required answer. So 4,872 into 5 is equal to 24,360. It's as simple as this. Like this, you can play with numbers. You can take any big number and you can easily multiply the number with 5. So till now I have shown you how to multiply an even number with 5. Now I will show you how to multiply an odd number with 5. For example, I will take it to 2-digit odd number. For simplicity, say 77 into 5. So how to multiply this? So first step is put 5 in the unit place of answer. Always remember, whenever you multiply an odd number with 5, the unit place of the answer will always contain 5. Now to get the left portion of the answer, the given number is 77. Subtract 1 from 77. 77 minus 1 is 76. Find half of 76. Half of 76 is 38. Write this 38 as it is. So this is the required answer. So 77 into 5 is equal to 385. It's as simple as that. Now I will take a 3-digit number, odd number. For example, 473 into 5. So 473 is an odd number. Put 5 in the unit place of the answer. Put 5. Now subtract 1 from 473. 473 minus 1 is 472. Find half of 472. Half of 472 is 236. So 2365 is the required answer. So 473 into 5 is equal to 2365. Now I will take a last example. For example, I will take a 4-digit odd number, 4897 into 5. 4897 into 5. First step is put 5 in the unit place of the answer. Now subtract 1 from 4897. 1 minus 4897 is 4896. Find half of 4896. Half of 4896 is 2448. So 24,485 is the required answer. So 4,897 into 5 is equal to 24,485. It's as simple as this. Like this, you can play with numbers. And my suggestion is, just watching this video is not enough. After watching this video, take examples, say about 40 to 50 examples, even numbers and odd numbers, and practice as much as you can. The more you practice, the more confident you become. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share this video to your dear friends. If you want me to come up with more such videos, to